today?
Thank you, and you?
Yes, I am very fine, thank you. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. For the first is, let's look the learning objective. For the first is introduce the basic concept to probability and the probability scale from 0 to 1. For the second is help students calculate the probability of a single event theoretical. Because in the previous lesson we learned the experimental probability. So today we are learning about theoretical probability. Okay, for the third is introduce the idea that the probability of an event not occurring equals 1 minus the probability of getting A. Okay, so today we are learning about probability. Because we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever played a game with a dice or drawn a card from a deck?
Yes, sir.
Good. For example, if you roll a dice, can you always predict the number that will appear?
No, sir.
That's right, but we can predict how likely an event is to happen. So this is called a probability. Today you will understand how to calculate the probability of the single event. Okay, the next lesson will be continued to Miss Jauza.
Now, can anyone tell me what probability means?
Probability is change of something happening.
Exactly. The probability is a measure of how likely an event is to happen. If an event is impossible, the probability is 0. If an event is fertile, the probability is 1. Or we can write like this: 0 less than equal to PA in bracket less than equal to 1. PA means the probability of event happening. Okay, now let's check your understanding. If the sun rises tomorrow, is fertile or possible?
Fertile!
Exactly. How about a person suddenly grow the wings and flying?
Impossible!
Correct. That probability can be expressed as fraction, decimal, or percentage. Okay, now let's move on to experimental. Performing an experiment such as rolling a dice is called a trial. By repeating an experiment from a number of trials, the experimental probability of an event can be determined. This fraction is often called the relative frequency. The formula is the probability of getting A is number of times the desired event happened over total number of trials. Or the probability of getting A is number of success over number of trials. Or we can rewrite like the formula like this. Now look at the example. The numbers 1 to 6 are written in significant cards. The cards are shuffled and placed down on the table. If a card is selected at random, what is the probability of obtaining? A, a 3, B, an even number, C, a prime number. Now we can answer A. We know that sample page is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, 5 and 6. No, and else is 6. And the event is 3. is 1. So the probability of getting 3 is 1/6. The question B. We know that sample space is 6, and the even number is 2, 4, and 6. So and A in bracket is 3. The probability to getting a even number is 3/6. 3/6 we can simplify become to 1/2. For question C, can anyone need to confront and solving this problem? Okay, Faiza?
Yes, tulis-tulisnya.
Okay, thank you, Faiza. Now let's check this answer. Yes, this is correct. Thank you, Faiza. Please give applause for Faiza. Okay, the next lesson will be continued by Mr. Zaki. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jauza. Now let's learn about the probability of complement. If the probability of an element is PA, then the probability of the complement won't be the probability that the event will not happen. For the formula is PA complement is 1 minus PA, or PA plus PA complement is 1. For the example, the probability that Jose passes math exam is 2/3. What is the probability that Jose fails the math exam? So the answer is P fails is P not passing is 1 minus 2/3. So P fails is 1 minus 2/3 and P fails is 1/3. So the probability of Jose fails the math exam is 1/3. Okay, I have a problem example. Bukan come to front and solve the problem. Okay, Rafa. Okay, so let's check the answer. P miss is 1 minus P success. So P success is 3/5 and P miss is 1 minus 3/5. So P miss is 5 minus 3/5. So P miss is 2/5. That's correct. Give big applause to Rafa.
Okay, now we can let's practice what we learned today. I will give you a worksheet. You have containing probability problem. You have 10 minutes to finish our worksheet. From the homework, questions shown on slide. Okay, do you have any question, class?
No, Miss.
Okay, thank you for your participation. See you next meeting, class.
See you.
Cukup sekian dari kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih sudah menonton.